know, Joe, I don't know what the matter is with Bill. I mean, he's wacko. He's crazy. I mean, you ought to get a leash on him.
It's not my problem. He's yours.
Oh, by the way, this storm's gonna be a lot bigger than we anticipated. I got reports of mesos from Grant County all the way to Logan.
Sharing information with me?
No, I was just curious as to which way you're gonna head.
Southeast, I think. To the counter.
2 lemonades to go, please.
Nothing changes.
Pardon me?
He's gonna wait and see what Bill does. Can I have a coffee to go, please?
That man is waiting for Billy Watt. So you're telling me that Billy knows what a storm is thinking?
Something like that. Gum? My Aunt Meg used to call him a human barometer.
Well, he hasn't really told me about all this.
If you have to pee, you should do it now, because there's not very many places to stop once we get on the road.
You're still in love with him, aren't you?
Check, please.
Not that I blame you. I just hope this isn't some desperate attempt to keep him in your life.
We're together.
What's up? Going green.
Greenwich.
Saddle him up.
You got it, boss.
Charles, I need a sector scan on that cell. Keep looking for a hook.
We'll do some.
Landers, what are my dew points doing?
Points up to 70, sir.
Honey, I got you a lemonade.
You gotta move out. Listen, follow us in the truck, but stay behind Dusty's van. You'll be safe back there. I gotta go with Joe. Okay, let's move out, people. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Thanks, I'll drive.
All right, people, let's pack it up. Let's go.
It's the wonder of nature, baby! Woo! Woo-hoo! Hey, you guys! Woo-hoo!
Dr. Melissa Reeves here. Hello, Donald? Yes, no, you got me in my car.
Oklahoma, where the wind comes sweeping down the plain and the waving wheat.
Donald, this feeling of inadequacy is coming from you. Julia doesn't resent you. We've talked about this before. She did not marry your penis. Oh, okay, all right. She didn't only marry your penis.
So,
Amazing coloring there, isn't it?
yeah, look at those pomadas. Bet those tops have got to be spiking about 40,000.
That's a good thing.
It's a very good thing.
She work at the station? Is that where you met
No,
her? What?
I don't want to fight.
I'm not fighting, I'm talking.
I don't want to fight.
She's nice.
Ha!
Uh-oh, she's not nice.
I know what you meant.
You do.
Yes, so don't do this.
Okay, I'm making extremely civilized conversation here. You're biting my head off. Jesus.
Yes, she's very nice. No, she does not work at the station. She's a therapist.
Oh. Yours?
Christ,
What?
you couldn't resist,
I'm not
could you?
saying you
Come
need
on.
therapy.
What?
I'm
what?
not.
Wait. I need therapy?
I didn't say that.
I need a therapist?
I didn't
What
say
could I
that.
possibly need a therapist for?
I don't know.
You're the doctor, tell me.
I don't know. Inability to finish things,
finish
maybe
things.
rushing into things you can't quite commit to.
Commitment?
You asked me.
Look.
You asked
no,
me.
that is bullshit. Look, I may have
You
walked out,
asked.
but at least I showed up in the first place. You never had the
Okay,
slightest
there's a
idea.
whole
You
road
never had the
thing
slightest
going
idea
on
about
out there.
commitment. What being married means. Like stability and supportiveness. And a house and all kinds of neat stuff like that.
Can I drive?
No!
Then would you?
Whoa!